welcome back to our channel. My name is Evelyn, and today we're showing you a simple swag design that you can create to instantly transform your head table. Let's begin. First, add a tablecloth as your base. Place skirt clips around the table about 12 inches apart. We offer a variety of table clip sizes, so be sure to measure the thickness of your table before purchasing. Now add an extra long table skirt. Our chiffon skirts offer a rich dimension and pillow appeal that is super romantic, so of course we have to use it for the sweetheart table. Then, evenly spread the excess skirt around the table. Add a tablecloth as an overlay. Our sequin band is currently trending, so you know we have to use one of our favorite. Next, gather a section of the overlay and pin it near the top of the table using a large safety pin. Lastly, gather a smaller section at its side and pin it about halfway up the table. We hope you enjoy creating this gorgeous sweetheart table. We can't wait to see what you create. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.